Ke Sorkar Pdeng kalau pernah bala Palat ya ke song Tyngka ke Palat ya ke silak lai po kendai hajar bat nyos pak san po Klur Tyngka kum ke jing ya sam lem ya ke jing yo lum khajana sha ki Jylla. Ketnat Palat Tyngka jong keri kalau ang ba ke ni ke jing Palat ya ke ni ke song Tyngka ke bukan thup ya ke song Tyngka na ke benta ubnai Jylla bat kum ju ru sa ke wei pat ke song Tyngka ke dei na ke benta ban pen ku bor ya ke bor jong ke Sorkar ban kampen stat bat ya ki kampen roi bat ki wei kat kum kecing Palat song Tyngka gemta ki Jylla mekhlia kan sayok Pdeng kum basi hajar nyopo wei Klur Tyngka hagaju kepor ru menteri rang ba ki Jylla mekhlia konrat sangma ulai kublai ya ke Sorkar Pdeng bat ya ke menteri ke Palat Tyngka ba ki Palat ya kini ki khajana ulong ba kini kalong ke bakong sana ke daw ba ke dei kadak ke shin ke bakrau bat ke lenti ke babiang tam ban sedang ke Sorkar ke batmai.
Two installments of the devolution of the taxes which was meant for the different states. So every month we normally get one installment, but the Government of India in one way has given a bonus to every state by releasing two installments. So this will not be taken away from the future installments, but these are basically a bonus and a double benefit has been given, and this is a great gesture by the Honourable Prime Minister and the Honourable Finance Minister, and a great way to start the new government. And once again, I would like to thank the Government of India for releasing over 1,000 crores in terms of the devolution of taxes, which will definitely help the state.
Hadin baloyok Pdeng ya kijing Klur na usumud